Welcome to our channel. Today we will learn different ways of reading a text file in Python. Python comes with the open function which we will use to read the text file in our program. We have one file called data.txt and here we have 16 lines. So we are going to read this file in Python. We will use the open method for reading the file. With open data.txt in the read mode as file and lines is equal to line dot rs strip for line in file, and then we will print the lines. So this program is reading the text file and using the for loop. It is calling the rs strip. It is calling the r strip method on the line, each line, which removes the new line character and finally creates the list. So if we want to see the type of list, we can print lines, type of lines, right? Type of lines, and you can see it is here we have to print. So it is a list class. So we have used the open method to read a file and then use the rs strip method for removing the new line character from the each line. So this way you can read a text file in Python. So if we have a big file, so we have a big text file and we want to read, then in that case we should not create a list out of the data from the file. Instead we should process the file at the same time. So the code is going to be like this. We are opening the file and for line in file is equal to line dot r strip, and then here you write logic. For example, we want to print the line, then we can use the print method. To run this, if you run the program, you will get the output like this. So instead of saving the data into the list, which will occupy a lot of space, we can read file line by line and then process the data. So if you are using Python 3.8 or above, you can use the use of walrus operator. Open the file like this, then while line colon equal to file dot read line, and finally so this type of code you can also use. Now we will see how we can read a file using a particular encoding. And we can use the encoding. So this way you can use the encoding. You have to specify the encoding equal to your encoding. In my case, it is UTF-8, and then run this. So this way you can use the encoding while reading the data. Now I will show you how you can use the read lines. F is equal to open data.text into the read mode, and then lines is equal to F dot read lines, and finally print. So read lines method reads the file line by line and then stores all the data into the list. So this way you can use the read lines, but here you can see it is not removing the new line character. Finally, you need to close the file as well. Now you can also use the read method, which reads the file into one variable. So we are going to read the data in one go into the variable. So let's create the file object. F.read. So it printed the file data, and you can also use the split. Split with /n, and you will get the list. Now the another method is to read the file line by line and put into the list yourself using the append method. So we are going to read a file line by line, and we will append the data into the list. I am creating an empty list, then reading the data, and data list dot append line data, and finally print the data list. Next, I will show you how you can use the tuple. Tuple and open print lines. So this way we can use the different methods to read the data from text file in Python. So these are different methods that you can use to read the text file in your Python program. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.